Hi you guys, this is a 24K 1997 Piccolo the Parrot plush. Without further ado, let's get into the review. Nice. Blue, yellow, and red feathers. Nice. Tail feather right there. There's the tush tag. There's the gold tag with black with gold. There's the front of it. The back of it. It reads Piccolo down there, and this is from $1997. What's the chances with that? That's pretty good. That's pretty good. And yellow eyes, beak, nose, red fur, little feet. There's the bottom of them. And that's it. Alright you guys, that's the quick review on this 24K Piccolo the Parrot from 1997. Alright you guys, bye!